Hello everyone, I'm Kyle, your buddy for all the wittiest craftsmanship at First Mold. In our daily mass production, every part's creation begins with a common crucial hub, the gate. This small entry point is where the plastic melt enters the mold, and it's a critical step in determining the quality of the final product. So why is the gate so important? Think of it as the gatekeeper controlling the flow of hot plastic into the mold. When molten plastic flows through the gate into the cavity, forming the part, gates help control the flow of molten plastic, the cooling rate, and ultimately, it's the linchpin for the part's quality, the molding process's speed, and the final look of your product. First Mold's specific technical advantages in gate design are mainly reflected in the following aspects. Primary. We precisely calculate stress points and thicknesses to find the best entry point for the plastic, ensuring the melt flows through the best path and speed, and reduces internal stress and promotes uniform flow. For shapes and sizes, we match the gate to the material's properties, minimizing marks and optimizing melt flow for a cleaner finish and appearance of the final product. Hot runner technology is our secret weapon, maintaining a consistent melt temperature, which cuts waste and enhances product performance. Strategic gate placement promotes uniform flow, minimizes the plastic's travel distance, and makes the injection with minimal pressure loss and even filling, maintaining the structural integrity and dimensional accuracy of the molded parts. Understanding material properties is key. We design gates that adapt to how each material flows, cools, and sets. Minimizing gate size allows for effective filling while preventing defects, reducing stress, and ensuring cleaner separation of the molded parts from the gate. Meanwhile, simplifying the separation process and reducing post-molding work. Gate geometry is tailored to complement part design and molding conditions for a seamless flow and minimal shear stress. With edge rounding and junction length minimized, our gate design ensures the part's structural integrity. Uniform cooling from the gate design is essential for quick cycle times and maintaining dimensional stability, with easy ejection and gate mark removal, moreover, minimizing the risk of part damage. At First Mold, we're not just creating molds, we're crafting the lifeline of every product. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, or share if you found this video helpful. Remember, we are your manufacturing mate. First your need, mold your part. Stick around to see how we can tailor our manufacturing services to your needs.